Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the audio and opening it in an editor that supports spectral or phase processing. You need a backup copy, so duplicate the file immediately. This preserves original timing and quality in case you need to revert. Once done, confirm sample rate and bit depth match the source so edits stay aligned. Next, isolate the section with voice and music, set loop points, and solo tracks when possible. These first actions prevent irreversible mistakes and prepare precise removal. You now isolate the voice using spectral view and frequency analysis. Visually select vocal harmonics and blend frequencies. Apply spectral repair to attenuate vocal components without killing music. Make small passes rather than one big cut to retain ambience. If voice is center panned, try phase cancellation by duplicating, inverting one channel, and nudging timing to cancel the vocal. Use AI vocal removal as a complementary tool and compare results. Make sure to check transitional areas and preserve reverb tails. You finish by cleaning residual artifacts and restoring musical balance. Use multiband EQ to bring back lost body and a transient shaper to revive attack. Automate levels so music sits naturally. Once satisfied, add subtle reverb or ambience to mask tiny removals and create a coherent room. Export a high-bit master and compare with the original. If you still hear artifacts, revisit spectral repair on those timestamps, reduce aggressive cuts, or try alternate AI models. This targeted retry often eliminates remaining problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.